Hello everyone, welcome back in Cool IT Help. This is the Selenium Web Automation Tutorial 6, and in this tutorial session we are going to see an easy way to avoid Chrome and Chrome driver version mismatch issue. Sometimes we need to port our Selenium script to different machine, but we are not sure on that machine Chrome driver or Chrome browser versions are same. So we will find the mismatch and our Selenium script will not work. In some cases, we are giving our Selenium script to end user to run it in a form of an executable or an runnable jar format. In that case, we are bundling our Chrome driver exe inside it, but we are not sure this will work on that target machine because there is a huge possibility that Chrome version is different on that machine. We can avoid this thing with the help of Webdrivermanager. Webdrivermanager API, we can use it. We have a set of jars, and Webdrivermanager jar file has some dependencies. We can download it in one shot. If you are not using the Maven project, so we have to proceed with the manual way. We will download the jar files, then we will add inside the project. If you guys using the Maven project, then this is better choice. You can simply add the dependency, which is right here. Also the dependency given in the description box as well, so you can use it. And now in this example we are using the simple way. We are going to download it manually, then we will add in the project, and then we will see how to use it. It's very simple. First, just copy this link and visit on a Chrome browser, and now you will be landed on this page. This is the download location for that jar files. So here's the right button, just click on it to download. Within few seconds downloading will start. The file size is not big, only 3.8 MB in size. The file is downloaded. Now I will put it at a separate place and then I will extract it. So I have already downloaded the zip file. Now I will extract this one. Okay, we got this folder. Let me check inside. So we have all these jar files which are required with driver manager. Now let me take you inside the Eclipse. So guys, this is the Eclipse, and we have a sample project that we have used in our last Selenium automation tutorial. This is a simple Chrome driver loading statement. After that we have created one driver object, Chrome driver instance, and then with the help of that we are navigating to the website. Then we are going to find the elements. This is the simple script. With the help of driver manager we can avoid the statement 12. Now I will show you. First, you need to add all those jar files that we have downloaded. So here are the jar files. So I am going to add here in the class path. Okay, all jar files are added. Now we have to use simple one statement to avoid the statement number 12. Okay, that is very simple. We will use the driver manager class that will handle rest of the thing. So here is the simple statement, Webdrivermanager dot Chrome driver dot setup. So the setup method will do everything for you. You don't need to worry about the Chrome driver version and Chrome browser version. This will handle the things automatically and you are free. Now you will not face the Chrome driver and Chrome browser version mismatch issue. Now the rest of the thing will be as it is. I have just saved it and doing a clean build of this project. Now we will do it a test run. Here we go, right click, run as Java application. Okay, see at the console, Chrome driver was started successfully, and now the page is loading here in this Selenium browser. So website is loaded. Now we have just simply written one click event after finding the particular element on that. So this is just clicked on that link and the page is loaded. So script executed properly without any issue. So guys, this is the way you can avoid that version mismatch issue every time when you are doing the things with the Selenium. And I hope you guys found this video tutorial relevant and useful. Please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe my channel. And for now, thanks for watching. Cool IT Help.